Hey you guys, Molly here with Design Loves Detail, and I've got a whole bunch of really cute finds that are from Walmart. So great prices too. Stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for watching. Today we are gonna look at some Walmart deals that I'm loving. They have some good stuff this year. First of all, things that I have loved historically for Christmas trees are wood beads, and they have a ton of them. They have them in this natural color. They have them in gray and black, different sizes, different shapes. Like, they really covered their wood bead bases. They have a lot of wood beads. That's what I'm trying to say. This one is a 12 foot. I believe these are about $6, so you can't beat that. Really pretty, nice, just raw looking wood. So I definitely got some of these that I'm using on my tree this year, as well as I really love the black. They have this in a thicker one, like this, thicker beads, and also a thinner size, just like that natural one I just showed. This is a 6 foot length. They also have 12 foot lengths. So honestly, like, if you need wood beads, look on Walmart. I will link a whole bunch because they have a gazillion. Also, really cute ribbon. I thought this was fun. This is kind of like a craft type ribbon, nice and thick, and then it has the snowflake. So I love wrapping, you know, gifts with this. And even sometimes people will use this in their Christmas trees, and it's really cute. So I would check there for ribbon as well. I'll link this one. I'm trying to think of some other ones. Oh, they had a cute black and white stripe as well that I tried to get that was sold out. I saw it, but hopefully it'll come back, because I think black and white stripe is really fun, you know, just to mix in with these naturals. I usually use for my holiday decor a lot of neutrals, just like, you know, so that it ties in with my house with some of the green tones, and then kind of this craft, as well as some pops of the black, because I love the contrast of the black and white. They also have really fun ornaments this year that are mini ornaments that are, I feel like, some of the best things for gift wrapping. So my kids do have little tiny trees in their rooms, which we decorate as well, so they're good for that. But sometimes I think people forget to think about little things like this that can be used for gift wrap, and this is $1.98 for 4 of them. So, you know, like 50 cents, pretty darn good deal, and I think they're super cute. These are just like a wood bead wreath. So really fun. Even for like when you wrap your neighbor gifts or something, just tie one of these little ornaments onto it and it looks really cute. You can check out my wrapping video, gift wrap video that I did from last year with a few more ideas of really affordable ways that you can make your presents look cute. And when you're, both for your home, like when you're wanting it to go with your home, and then also as you give gifts to others. These are another really fun one. These little tiny houses, I'm obsessed with them. They look like little gingerbread houses. They're kind of like a faux wood with the white outline. Really fun for gift toppers. This is $1.98 for 6 of them, so even better. And again, just like so fun to put a ribbon through that and tie it around, you know, something you're taking to a neighbor or anything like that. While we're on the topic of gift wrapping too, they also have these boxes, which I'm obsessed with. They're a craft paper with a little star print on them that's actually kind of like iridescent and shiny. So this is a quick and easy way to wrap a gift. You know, just tie one of the cute, like this is one that would be so cute with the black and white striped ribbon around it. And then you could even put the little ornament so that it's kind of that finishing touch on the whole box. And then they have a cute ornament to use as well. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 gift. Another example of that, I actually just have started gift wrapping. This is just obviously a gift, and I still am gonna tie a ribbon around this, but this is like exactly what I was saying, whoa, where you take a mini ornament and the tag and kind of just make it into a gift topper. So this is another one. This little wood bead snowflake is another one from Walmart right now. This one comes in a set of 3, and they are so cute. They're cute for a tree too. They're on like the smaller side, but I think that they're still really great for trees or for gift giving. Just so cute. And I like fell in love with these stockings. Another Walmart find. Really cute, like texture. These ones are a little bit smaller. I'm probably gonna use these for like to put a gift in. Really cute for like sticking a wine bottle or your, what's Martinelli's? You know, if you give like Martinelli's, people give that for Christmas. Be really cute to stick in the stocking. I love the little fringe on this. You can kind of see that detail. And then also just they feel really high end. Like these look like a way more expensive stocking. They're $7.98, so hard to beat that. And then you could use them both, you know, on your mantle or part of gift giving as well. These are another Walmart find. They have these little cute wood ornaments as well. Again, really fun for the mini trees or for gift toppers. They even have ones like this that have the little pattern on them. So So dang cute. Basically, they've got a lot of really fun stuff. And some of it was sold out that I wanted to get because it's just so good this year. But you might have them in your store. Sometimes locally they're available, or they might restock by the time you guys are seeing this. So I'm gonna put a few of those too. They have some really fun kind of like twine wrapped ball ornaments that are darling. I checked all the stores by me and they were sold out, but these are super cute, as well as some really fun different trees, just kind of like some wood trees and little shapes, more shaped trees that are ceramic and things like that. So I will include those. They did a really good job, I feel like, on their line this year. It's very versatile and there's a lot of really cute pieces. Again, I would say like one of my things that you should run out and grab is the wooden beads. They're really cute across a mantle. I've done them that way. Also really good on the Christmas tree. They just kind of, to me, have a timeless, classic feel where you can use them for a lot of different things, and even as bowl filler, they're really cute. So definitely run out and get some of the stuff, or you can just click through my links. It's probably easier actually than hunting in the stores right now because it's already getting crazy, I feel like, the holiday shopping. So you can click through the links in my description below, and then you can shop that way, where you buy online and pick up in store, or you can even just have them shipped to you, whatever's easiest. But definitely they have some great stuff, so I'd hurry and grab it while you can. Also, you guys probably saw the full holiday tour. If you've missed that, go check it out, because that's going to show you a lot of these things in action and how I used them this year in my own holiday decor. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos. Check me out over on Instagram at Design Loves Detail, at our website designlovesdetail.com, where you can sign up for our newsletter as well, so you're in the loop. We will see you guys next time.